Alright guys, my 13-203. I already made my first pass. I forgot to record. I got the power 1-2 shift. That thing felt so good. But when I went to go shift fourth, I tried to do it too fast and it didn't go in. So that's on me. I drove it. I put it in fourth, like on the return road. Everything seems fine. But yeah, so we're gonna try again. Try to baby fourth again. I tried to throw it too hard. So anyways, yeah, so I'll show you guys that pass now. And then we're gonna head back up to the line. I put it on Pro Tree too, just to you know, try it out. I mean, that's the goal anyways, so put it on Pro Tree, screw it. But anyways, yeah, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we just went our new PB, not by much, but it's almost our best 60 foot, but that is our best 8. We went 1185 at 112, considering we went 1190 at 117, so we're doing less mile per hour, but we're running faster. I just got that fourth gear. I don't know if it's that I'm not pulling it straight back, or if like I have to make an adjustment. I don't know, I'm gonna look at it, because it's killing me, man. That would have been like an 11.6. Maybe even 11, I mean, it would have been 11.7 for sure, but maybe even an 11.6. Freaking thing's killing me. But that's perfect, it's working. Yeah, go on YouTube. Alright guys, we're back in the lanes. I just went 1185 again, and I didn't power shift that time like a dummy. And then the past before that I had issues with the not necessarily anything with the car. I took all 4 gears. Is that the freaking I don't know, I went into the beams, and you know it's Pro Tree. So I went into the beams and it went, and you know I put the car on 2-step, and tree never came down, so I got off and I went back on, and you know I got all messed up because he took his sweet time. Pro Tree. But anyways, I'm pushing the car, so I'll see you guys. So I hot lapped it back into the lanes, but anyways, I'll see you guys.
Yeah.
pass for the day. Kind of fudged it, but I don't know. I think either because I'm not pulling the shifter maybe straight back that it's getting stuck, or it's because it's a short shifter, so I'm shifting faster than my foot and forth for some reason. But we went 11.95 last pass. To get 3.11s, I'm happy with it for the weekend, more consistent. But this pass would have been a low 11, possibly a high 10, because we went 151 to the 60 foot and a 7.1 to the 8th with lower mile power, which is crazy. The car just hooked. So I think because Steven pulled me further into the water, it had less of a, less water on the tires. So I think it just took it and hooked. And Kato said my last burnout was perfect. I'm happy with we've ended with the car. The axles are good now. Now update over the winter is just get gears and change a couple other things. I can't thank my girlfriend enough. She helped me out. She just helped me clean everything up. But Kato, Javier before helped to get this back in. And yeah, fortunately Javier wasn't able to make it, because of work stuff. But at the end it's a Friday. But yeah, shout out to 13203 for always putting in these badass rentals, and I'll see you guys next time.